In the dynamic world of tech, DevOps engineers, data scientists, and Python developers are leading the charge with impressive salaries. But who earns the most? Data scientists take the lead with a median salary of $99,504, while DevOps engineers aren't far behind, earning around $100,000. Python developers, while still well compensated, follow in third place. Remember, the tech landscape is ever evolving, so staying informed on market trends is crucial for those eyeing these lucrative roles. Now, let's zoom out and look at the broader tech industry. The top-paying IT jobs of 2023 showcase a diverse range of roles, from software engineering managers at $134,156 to data scientists peaking at $150,000. These figures reflect the high demand for professionals who can navigate the complexities of technology and drive innovation. Diving deeper, software engineering managers are the strategists overseeing the creation of cutting-edge software, with top earners making over $43.9 million annually. Mobile applications developers, the creative minds behind our apps, can expect an average of $111,468. Meanwhile, information system security managers, the guardians of our digital fortresses, earn a hefty average of $153,677. Database managers, who ensure our data's integrity, can see annual earnings of up to $36.70 locks. Data security analysts, the vigilant protectors against cyber threats, make an average of $71,226. And let's not overlook product managers, orchestrating the journey from product conception to market, with salaries averaging $100,000. For those with a passion for AI, an artificial intelligence engineer can command over $110,000. Full-stack developers, the versatile experts in both front-end and back-end development, are looking at an average of $106,000. Cloud architects, the masterminds of cloud strategy, earn around $107,000. And finally, the blockchain engineers, architects of the decentralized digital ledger, are at the top of the salary pyramid with an average of $150,000. These roles not only offer financial rewards, but also the opportunity to be at the forefront of technological advancement.